ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you warmly to my Infinite Core review, which is going live today. It's already live. So it's going live on the 2nd of July. And a big hello to you from London, from crazy London. The day has almost come to an end. The sun has gone down, but not on me, never on me. There isn't an option like that. No way. So, anyhow, without further ado, let's start. So, what is Infinite Core? Well, in a nutshell, it is 3-in-1. It's a software bundle. It's an app. It's a software bundle that is going to kill. Yeah, kidding. But it's going to replace GO-To-WEBENAIR because it's going to host it's going to host unlimited webinars for you. It's going to replace your autoresponder, whatever autoresponder you're using or you're thinking of using, because it will blast unlimited number of emails to unlimited clients for you, and it's going to replace ClickFunnels. I think that's how they call it. Let me check it out. ClickFunnels. Yeah, well remembered, Sylvia. Sorry guys, I'm quite a clown. Hey, I am who I am. So it's going to replace these three for you, which is pretty awesome. So if you have been paying monthly subscription for those services, on monthly basis, you can forget about it and just replace it with this software bundle, 3-in-1 again, that it's a one-time fee, and you have it for the rest of your life. Well, if that sounds cool, guys, stick with me, keep watching, carry on, because not only are you getting this if you buy it from me, but also some amazing bonuses that I have put together, especially for you to get the very best out of Infinite Core. And let me show you those bonuses, guys. My apologies about the noise. I did mention I live in crazy London, didn't I? Anyhow, yeah. So the link to my bonus page is below my video, and this is what you're looking at. So let's check them out. Bonus number 1 is access to Fugo Breakout, and it's a product by my mentor John Armstrong, an absolutely phenomenal one, which will help you very much with traffic, and specifically Instagram traffic, because it's like a training course and software 2-in-1, and it's going to look for popular influencers on Instagram, and it's going to it will be automated for you as well. It's going to send messages. So messages, it will be contacting the followers of those popular people, and yeah, it will generate a lot of traffic for you from Instagram. And then number 2 is Jono's 3 favorite traffic sources, and traffic is money. Without traffic, forget about income. And then learn how to make effective copywriting, which is extremely important to make it all right and eye-catching. And number 4 is it's license rights to Gemini, not sure how to pronounce it. Excusez-moi, I'm not sure. But it's another software training by John Armstrong, which will be teaching you all about email marketing, and literally from scratch. And email marketing is super essential, for any business. It's very important, because that's how you'd be contacting your, clients, and, sending them offers, and, they will, this will hopefully turn your clients into recurring buyers, right? Okay, and then we have access to all vendor bonuses, because the guys who have created Infinite Core not only do they give you the product, but also some bonuses on top of just the front end. Okay, I'll be telling you about the prices in a second. But now, guys, if you do want to try it out, like, please click the link below my video. It's going to take you to this bonus page, and then you just smash one of these yellow buttons that are throughout my bonus page, as you can see. And then after you've done that, after you've done so, you will be taken to a sales page where you essentially make the purchase, and then you will get an email with the receipt, which will redirect you to a platform called Warrior Plus, where you access the product. The blue one will be my bonuses, the green one, the infinite core and vendor bonuses. Alright, sweet. Let's quickly check out the sales page. What do they say? What do they claim? So, Infinite Core, eWeber, ClickFunnels, and GO-TO-WEBENAIR Killer. Well, it is here for you for low one-time fee, which is super cool, I believe. So get unlimited access to AUTORESPONDER, Funnel Builder, and webinars at an unbeatable one-time fee. Amazing. And again, from my bonus page you will be sent to the sales page where you click just one of these, again, yellow buttons, and the product is yours. You just buy it from here. Now, you know the usual stuff. That's the creators. Whoops, sorry. I've seen them. Yeah, they're here. Actually, my colleagues from my Super Affiliate Training, Ministry of Freedom. So they are behind this product. They've teamed up to put it together. There's like 3-in-1 software. And I believe, oh wow, yeah, that's the bonus. No, that's the bonuses. No. What are the bonuses they give you on top of just the front end? Let's find them. Okay. So bonus number 1 is earning systemization autopilot. We enable you to the option to run Infinite Core with one single click and let it earn for you. Bonus number 2 is the Start Sales System. We give you the Start Sales System. It teaches you the fastest technique to make a first sale in less than 60 seconds. Bonus number 3, $1,000 day strategy. We teach you how to scale from $300 to $1,000 a day with just a new tweaks in the setup dashboard. Okay, perfect. Right, okay. And that's the product, guys. So you will have 3 functions here. Now you have the support here, the training. Now if you click on this training, it's going to take you to a YouTube tutorial. It's going to be almost 7 minutes, and it will show you how to use all of these functions. So guys, you just go to app. Again, go to app for like all of these free functions that they do like totally different things, right? Obviously, so you have Infinite Webinar, Infinite Builder, Infinite Mail. So I have already explained to you what they do, and you will have the training. If you click here, it will show you how to go about using everything. Alright guys, with that said, let's quickly check go back to my bonus page, because I haven't actually discussed the prices. They are right, yeah, on top of my sales page, bonus page. Again, the quick description of the product. So Infinite Core is a software bundle that allows your customers or you to cancel all their monthly subscriptions. It allows your customers to send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers, create unlimited panel pages, or even unlimited webinars for a low one-time fee for lifetime. Okay, so the front end is anything from $12 to $17, and then we have Upsell number 1, Infinite Core, which is the Pro version, is $27, unlimited campaigns for all your softwares. Upsell number 2 is Infinite Core done for you setup, $67, done for you setup for customers. We will set up all the things inside the app. Upsell number 3, Infinite Core Automation, $37. They can automate all the processes. Upsell number 7, Infinite Core Golden Membership, $37. Upsell number 5, Infinite Core Reseller Rights, so you can sell it as your own product for $47. And you see you have these like in brackets as well, so they are the downsells. Alright, one thing that kind of like struck me is like that they give you a 1-year money-back guarantee, which is insane. I mean, it only shows you how confident they must be about this product. But then, like on the sales page, I've seen 6 months money-back guarantee, so I don't know which one is correct, but either or, even 6 months is a lot of time to, try it out. And another thing, note, get results or get paid $150, which is kind of intriguing to me, but hey, that's what they claim. So cool. So again, guys, don't forget my stunning bonuses, which will complement Infinite Core beautifully, and they will help you get maximum results with this software. Alright, the link to it is below my video. It is below my video. And guys, sorry it is getting dark, but you can still see my pretty face. Humble me, always crazy me. Hey, that's me. Alright, like, subscribe. Any questions? Ask away in the comment section below my video, and I'll be there for you to answer your questions. Alright? Ciao, have a beautiful day. In my case, beautiful night. I'm sure I'll sleep well. Alright, ciao, bye bye.